Okay, so today we are in Tabanan and then we are thinking to exploring one hidden beautiful waterfall, but seems like some people already here. So look behind me, it's beautiful rice paddies, nice, and surrounded still with the green rice paddies and trees. It's not that touristic yet, but yeah, some people already here.
Oh, and here are some ducks also in the parking area. As you see, actually, it's few cars. Even Alphard is here, actually. That's pretty nice. But the road is actually very small, very challenging. But the beautiful rice fields. We will see how is the waterfall. Yes. All right. So this waterfall is actually very easy. So waterfall is over there, and just at that side is the parking. So it's actually maybe like less than 3 minutes walk. So I like waterfalls like this.
This is the easiest waterfall ever that we have ever been, yeah, honey, yeah?
Yeah, because basically there is the parking, where is this my finger right now, and the waterfall is there. So that's actually great.
Yeah, if you're curious what's the name of the waterfall, it's called Campuhan Waterfall, and then this one is the TK, only 20K. So yeah.
Here we go, this is the waterfall. Here is some camping on the way. We will see how is more river. Some local people enjoying river. And the waterfall is like this. Not so big, but very nice. Very nice. I think you can swim here if you wish so. And yeah, this is not touristy one yet, but it's gonna be for sure. I can see already constructions over there and everything.
So we will go there. There is a bamboo bridge also. So I'm waiting for my turn.
Yeah, we will see. Are you scary, sayang?
No.
No?
No.
All right. River, bridge, sayang.
So nowadays, everywhere, whenever you go to the waterfall or you go to the rice paddies, I think that the iconic things is about the selfie spot.
Selfie spot like this.
I want to take a picture with no mask, okay?
Okay. So basically, as you see, waterfall is nice, like many waterfalls in Bali. Always beautiful, nice river, nice sound, nice bridge. But behind me, somewhere over there, there is already so many constructions, and this is kind of new waterfall. I mean, discovered like not so long ago. I mean, they put on the Google map as you can come and see. But yeah, even it's brand new, they already will be the restaurant stuff like this. So that's how it look like. Where?
There, in the river.
You can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful river, beautiful waterfall. Actually, the water how it's going is like wide and small, not like sharp, narrow. It's nice. Sayang, just be careful there, yeah?
Yeah, the water is so fresh.
Fresh?
Yeah, it's not as cold or freezing.
Yeah, very nice. I think this is already made. Small bridge. Look at Sayang, how she trying to get the best spot for the pictures. Yeah, but that's how it looks like nowadays. She's doing all right. Nice waterfall.
All right, so I finally here beautiful waterfall with the easy access, and yeah, it's very nice. The water so fresh and then the breeze so cool.
Meanwhile, beautiful waterfall, and here will be also the beautiful construction and construction guy. Never ending development in Bali, guys. This is what I'm talking about. All here will be something. Comment below, what do you think about that? This will be better, or they should keep just the waterfall like this?
Okay, so this is how the waterfall, very nice, and then surrounded by a river. I think that they are started to building and developing these kind of tourist objects. Let's see how it is in the few years later. Is it gonna be like a Taganungan waterfall which is, you know, too many theme park that even there is a bar there, restaurant, fancy restaurant, or just people here still, you know, keep the nature and everything.
So some stones for the construction, serious thing, serious development here. Long time ago, I think here was the entrance, and yeah, that's like a small village, little bit, because there are some houses around and the small bridge where we pass by car. River on the one side and river on the other side. That's how it looked like. All right, so we are at the top. We arrive, as you see, it's going to be quite busy. So many cars and so many people arrive. So that's good. I think that's okay.
Yeah, I think that in few times later on, this place is gonna be like hype. So,
Yeah.
you know, even that this time, like the pandemic situation where other waterfalls, maybe like in the Ubud waterfalls or in Gianyar in other regency still closed, but here open, and you see quite many
It's
people.
quite busy.
So this is how the life in the village. That's the lady with the banana. So nice. All right, so after we are in the waterfall, and then, you know, like we passing on the road, and then we pass many shops selling durian, jackfruit, and local fruits. So this Tabanan area, especially Baturiti, Luus, is famous for durian and also jackfruit. I want to try the jackfruit.
But the beautiful fruits. Check this out. The colors. Nice.
This is a tropical fruit, very nice.
Pineapple and jackfruit.
Oh.
Check this out.
Oh.
If you're interested, this is jackfruit and this is durian. So durian is very sharp and very smelly, and this one, jackfruit, is very big and looks like this. Looks a little bit like pumpkin and pineapple at the same time.
I've got this one.
So what you eat? What you say?
This one, the jackfruit.
And how it tastes? But
Wait.
how do you compare to the Western fruits, or I don't know, any other fruits? Because many people, they don't know how it tastes, the jackfruit.
The taste is just like pineapple, but it's more sweet. More sweet, and then I can feel the like crunchy. Very crunchy.
By the way, so many loud bikes in Bali nowadays. I'm so sorry for the distraction. And this guy is checking the smell of the durian. He's very focused how he's doing this. He's the expert. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And if you are interested, the name of the place is Mama Durian. So easy to remember, easy to find. This is the place. So many cars hidden there, but the petrol station is over there. So yeah, easy to find if you want. She said she have even Instagram, and she have even Google Map, everything. If you're interested to having like this is not paid endorsement. We're not gonna get anything for free, but I wanna just show the place. And the lady there opening the durian. This is the Mama Durian.
All right, guys. I think that's all our video today from Tabanan, Baturiti, Luus. Unfortunately, the durian is too big for me because Damian doesn't really like durian, and if I buy one, I have to finish by myself. And Damian will never ever let the durian inside the car.
Because the smell will be for another 3 months after that. In Singapore, you have fine for that, so why we have to have a durian? Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. See ya.